for Just Nailed It, and I am coming to you today with the haul from Charlie's Nail Art, which I happen to be a brand ambassador for. I will put my code across the bottom of the screen here. You can save yourself 10% off. They have, in prices, they're so low, but the quality is such great quality of items. So I do recommend them. Please use my code to save yourself 10% off. I mean, who doesn't want to save some coins, right? So I'm going to pull everything out of the package. Okay. We have got our note here from Charlie. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing your beautiful nail designs. Charlie! Love, love, love these. I keep all her little notes. I do have some PR items here, which are in the baggie. We will save those for the end. Let me keep them out so I can see them. I'm going to try and group things here a little bit so it's not so sporadic. But while I'm doing this, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. I would greatly appreciate your presence here. Alright. We are going to look at the foils first. I'm not going to open them, because then I got nowhere to keep. I got to find a place to sheet. Before, the foils came in a sheet, a square sheet, in a package like this. This is a water decal. So the foils came in a package like this. Now she is putting them on a spool and wrapping them up. So this one here is called Midnight Wish. I gotta figure out where and how I'm putting these, so I'm not gonna open them. I do remember this is a beautiful pattern, and I just, there's that one. We have got white star lace. I think I went kind of overboard with, I think these are all lace patterns. White fishnet lace. Black polka dot lace. You're telling a woman, huh? Black floral web lace. Oh, I can't wait to see this one. Black swirl flower vine. Oh, look at that. Can you see the hollow? Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. White polka dot lace. See, I went overboard. I shouldn't say I went overboard, but I had fun in the lace department, the lace foil department, evidently. White heart lace. Oh, I can use this for Valentine's. Oh, I hope you're not hearing Hillbilly in the background. I got her on play right now. Black star lace. So I've got quite a few lace items over here off to the side. I bought 2 glitters. Oh, this is called Romance. This is the one, to me, I thought it was the raspberry mix, because they are like super similar. This is raspberry. Oops. This is raspberry. This is Romance. And you can kind of see how, until I put them close together, they look a lot alike, but then they don't. So these got some little particles in here, and I can't see with the naked eye, or my naked eyes, exactly what the shapes are. But this is a beautiful mix. Next, we have bought Sugar Plum. These are 4-gram bags. Yes, 4-gram bags. And I do like the fine mixes myself. That is beautiful. Beautiful. So let me see what we got here. Okay, we've got some stickers. I bought these ones here because they reminded me of a candy cane. Not so Valentine-ish, I thought, but they reminded me of a candy cane. How about those? I love the bubbles. Thought that was super cute. And the umbrellas. April showers bring May flowers. I thought this was cute. Had to have it. And this one you can use for Valentine's. You could use it any time of the year, I guess, since it's in white and black. Sweetest day maybe for us US people that celebrate. These here are stickers. Love this one. Let me start with this one. This one's got the diamonds. I thought that was so cute. Let me see if I can bring these in a little bit on my foils. If I can post those there. So we've got, where did I put it? So here's the diamonds. Oh, we got a text message. These are more Valentine ones. You can use these technically any time of the year. Love the dress. I think that is so super cute. These are in red, black, and clear. Oh, look at these. These are just so adorable. Love them, love them, love them, Charlie. Great items, great items. So now we have some embellishments, some charms, if you will. Some people call them nail charms, some people call them embellishments. So whatever you call them, here we go. These are the word love. They are curved, so for your nail to fit on them right. Let me get in the frame here. Next we have got 2 silver horseshoes. We have got some hearts. And, oh wait a minute here. I ordered 2 of these, I guess. You never know when you might need 2. And here we have got 2 little cherub angels, or you might call them cupids. Here we have got, last and final, our last item, we have got 2 Eiffel Towers. I almost went blank on what they are. But I thought, I've always wanted these since I've seen them on her site and other places before, but now I have them. So definitely go check out charliesnailart.co.uk for all of your nail art items. She has got such cheap prices. Great quality items as you see before you. Sorry, I'm parched. I swear by Charlie's, I stand behind her wholeheartedly. Goodness. So now I'm going to show you my PR items. We have got some hollow lips. Hollow. And these are, oh yes, 2 gold roses. I may keep these and not even use them. I wanted those as soon as I seen those. Okay, we have got 3 foils. Showered with love. Cannot wait to use these. Style Queen. There's lips and lipstick and shoes and purses, handbags, whichever you may call them. Super, and last but not least, sealed with a kiss. I was worried I didn't have Valentine foils, and whoo-hoo, I do. Thank you, Charlie, for my PR items. I will be using many of these, not many, but hopefully a lot of these between now and Valentine's Day, which I'm not sure when this is going up. I'm filming this on Sunday, what's the date today? February 7th, and this will probably go up Thursday, the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, the 11th. Oh yeah, that ain't good. But still, check out Charlie. She has a lot of great items. She has a clearance department, which you can always check out and find a lot of good deals there. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Check out Charlie's Instagram, Charlie's Nail Art Supply. I can't remember if it's an underscore in between each word, but if you type in Charlie's, it'll come up. So definitely go check her out there. Check out me on Instagram, just.nailedit. You can see all my photos. Let's see what else. Thank you for being here today. I appreciate your presence. I know that for sure. First and foremost. Well, we'll see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.